Good morning and welcome back to Little Tallapoosa Park. We have pretty much loaded everything up, but we're going to do one more thing before we head out, and that's what's behind me, the splash pad. And that one right there is super excited.
Remember that time you said you were going to get too wet?
I wasn't expecting that. I just got soaked.
So it has all these little buckets that
I thought that would take a while to fill up. This one's filling up. Yeah. Get ready, get ready, get ready to rumble!
Madison's very busy, but we are actually checking out this morning, and unfortunately the weather wasn't great yesterday, but it totally makes up for it that we got up early, we're the only ones here, and we have about an hour to play before we have to hit the road.
All right, so we are currently at an Ingles gas station and grocery store. And Katie ran in to grab some... And who else?
Papa, Grandma, and Doggy.
And Doggy.
And Papa, Grandma.
And Papa and Grandma.
Papa.
Yeah, so we are about, I would say, 2.5, 3 hours. Oh, it's Mommy.
Yeah, I'm coming in.
So we're about 2.5, 3 hours from the place that we're staying in Hiawassee, and then we're gonna go see Grandma and Grandpa and Doggy. All right, welcome to my parents' cabin. That's right, we made it here to Young Harris. We got to our spot in Hiawassee, but unfortunately it was raining, so we quickly set up, and then it started really raining. So the girls decided to take a nap, and I just kind of hung out, kind of set out some random things like the coffee maker, very important. Rule number 1, always have coffee available. And then we just been hanging out. Girls woke up from a nap, so we loaded in the truck, and here we are. My parents moved up here a couple of months ago. They sold their house, my dad retired, and they said we're following our dreams and we're moving up into the woods, into the mountains of North Georgia. So yeah, this is their little piece of paradise. They just gave us the nickel tour, and it is beautiful. This really makes me want to move to Tennessee, but you know, we still got a little bit of time for that. We got to see the states for a little bit, and then we'll circle back around to Tennessee. So I think we're going to load up the truck and we're going to go into town and we are going to go get some food because all the driving I've done over the last 3 days has made me hungry. Their driveway is really steep. It's a 10% grade. And this Florida boy shooketh.
Adventure begins. See the little trailer?
All right, come on, Bubba.
Okay, let's go. This is a special place in Grandma's cabin.
Grandma coming.
Mm-hmm.
Yay!
Yeah, come on.
Cool. Oh my God.
Let's see all the toys.
Oh, look at that big smile.
All the toys.
Whoa.
Every kind of animal you could ever imagine.
Yeah.
What's this one?
Apple.
What was the owl say?
Mm.
Woo, woo. Good job. What's this one?
Bear.
A bear. What's a bear say?
Ray.
Rawr. Yeah, that's right. Good job, Bubba.
So good.
Good morning, guys. We are here at Bald Mountain Camping Resort, and we are playing on one of their many, many playgrounds. Literally within eyesight, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 playgrounds, 4 separate playgrounds that I could see from where I'm standing. It is this is a family campground for sure. The pool's right over here.
No.
They have mini golf over there. They got so much fun stuff happening. We definitely really.
Playground.
Yeah, you're on a playground right now. Show us how you go down the slide. Yeah.
Ready?
Yep. Pick your feet up. Pick your feet up.
I'm good.
So mini golf's over there. This is the office where you pull in and check in at. They have a game room and stuff over there. Then you have the pool over here. Yep. Then you have one playground here. And there's another playground there, and then a third playground behind it. And this, all of this, those little cabins over there, you could see, as far as the eye could see, you got RVs all the way around. There's a pavilion over there. Our home's over there somewhere. And there's Madison. Say hi.
Hi.
How are you?
How are you?
How are you?
How are you?
No, how are you? Are you good?
Yeah.
Okay. You having fun?
Oh.
You want to go down these little slides? You can go down it. You might have a lot of speed. So you'll probably tuck off the end. Okay. Be careful. Whoa! Nice. Way to land, Bubba. Good job. So Katie and I and Madison went on a little adventure today, and we went and looked at some other campgrounds in the area because we will be back here for Thanksgiving. We, the McNeils, do a really big Thanksgiving thing every year, so it was kind of decided that all the kids that could would go to Mom and Dad's for Thanksgiving. So we plan to be back here in November for probably about 2 weeks. So we wanted to see if there were any campgrounds in the area that maybe had different amenities, and I'm pretty sure that this is the one that we landed at. We're actually really happy with. The price is a little bit higher than most, but the amenities outweighs the cost difference. It doesn't look too good as far as the weather goes. There's definitely some dark clouds on the horizon, so kind of try and get the playing in before the rain comes. And then we're probably going to go hang out with my mom and dad for the rest of the afternoon. Just kind of get some family time in because we miss seeing Grandma and Grandpa. Isn't that right, Bubba? And Doggy. And Doggy. So we headed over to my parents' house where a surprise lay just beyond this door for Madison and the other grandkids. My parents did surprise all of us with a trampoline and a small playground for the kids. Each of the kids was sworn to secrecy, so that as each of the grandkids came to my parents' house, they saw this for the first time. So it was a really nice surprise that my parents put on for their grandchildren. They really do love their grandchildren. And their children. They love us too.
Anyways, my brother is actually on his way up to join us, and you'll see them in the next episode as we explore the surrounding areas and all the joys that it has to offer. We'll see you then.